it's afternoon. So good afternoon, another day at Ye Olde Guitar Shop. And today is cleanup day on your guitar pad. And we're going to clean up all the top surfaces, level it off, and reset the neck angle. And prepare for building the new top for it, which will probably happen sometime next week. But let's get a few hours of every luthier's favorite, and that is sanding. So away we go. Okay, let's, what we're going to do here today is we're going to level off this whole surface, and we're going to do that with every luthier's favorite job, and that is, it's called driving the bus. I think I'm going to add an additional clamp in here. Okay, here we are. Very close. Okay, now we're going to set the front angle. Start where I want it. Okay, now the ugly part, or the difficult is to clean all of this non-essential glue all over the again, as we pointed out, I guess there's not much light. Let me see here. I don't know if that helps. But this glue, it's just dropped everywhere. So I'm going to begin cleaning that out. And I don't know that that's going to be exciting enough to put on recording. So I think I'll just jump over that for now. And we'll pick up when I'm putting the top together. Well, we're getting there. A few more hours and this will be nice and cleaned up. And then I can get started on building the top.